The 2023 Subaru Outback ticks all the boxes that many people look for in an SUV, including plenty of room, adaptability for hauling stuff, standard all-wheel drive, and higher ground clearance. It may sound contradictory, but being a wagon, this car is one of the most competent SUVs you can purchase. Watch this video to the end to see all 7 things no one will ever tell you about this car, both the good and bad. Let's get rolling. At number 1, we're gonna talk about the brakes. Yeah, the brakes. The ventilated 12.4 inches front and 11.8 inches rear rotors on the 2023 Outback are in charge of providing the vehicle's stopping power. Brake assist, automatic emergency braking, hill hold control, and other braking systems including ABS with EBD are also included as standard equipment. The driver received more than enough sensation from the brake pedal, which we thought to be strong. The initial bite and progression that the brakes deliver are fantastic, and they don't seem grabby at all. A further benefit of ventilated rotors is that brake fade is minimized and heat dissipation is great. Given the curb weight of 3,896 pounds, we weren't prepared for the front-end dip to be as low as it was. Under harsh braking, the vehicle doesn't seem jerky either. Number 2, unimpressive refinement. The Subaru Outback lacks the A4 all-roads level of refinement. The flat-4 engines produced by Subaru are not known for their finesse. Although the refinement level provided by the Outback's 2 engines wasn't as outstanding as that of the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Toyota RAV4, it won't be a deal-breaker. As you increase the RPM, the motor starts to sound a little rough, and the pedals start to vibrate a lot more. Particularly while using the 18 inches wheels, the tire and wind noise were also on the louder side. The less effective sound deadening compared to the competitors can be heard in the cabin from louder outside noises. Number 3, lethargic acceleration from the base inline-4 motor. Having 2 distinct engine choices depending on the trim you choose, we strongly advise choosing the turbocharged motor available with the higher trims. When coupled with the CVT automatic transmission and symmetrical AWD powertrain, the standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 power plant feels rather sluggish and takes a long time to get to highway speeds. The 2023 Outback's less potent powertrain causes it to feel highly strained as soon as you apply heavy throttle from a stop. As the rubber rise, the low-end torque becomes increasingly dull and the motor becomes grating. Not exactly geared toward driving enthusiasts is the CVT with simulated gear shifts. Both the 0 to 60 miles per hour time and quarter-mile time are slower than that of the RAV4 and CR-V at 8.5 and 16.7 seconds, respectively. Number 4, impressive ride and handling. The Outback has long been a favorite of ours for its respectable handling characteristics without sacrificing the ride quality in the slightest, and this model year is no exception. Even the largest potholes are easily absorbed by the suspension, which prevents passengers from being thrown around. Because of this, you could drive the 2023 Subaru Outback on freeways, backcountry trails, and rural roads without raising an eyebrow. You will have ample grip while cornering thanks to the accurate steering, a well-tuned suspension system, and the renowned symmetrical AWD system. Additionally, the understeer and body roll are nicely under control. Number 5, infotainment and audio system will impress you. According on the trim level you choose, the Subaru Outback has 2 distinct infotainment systems. A smaller 7 inches touchscreen infotainment system with navigation is included in the bottom 2 grades with the necessary technologies, including voice recognition, SiriusXM radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The larger infotainment system is rather easy to operate and sleek. Additionally, there are several buttons and knobs available. The system's big icons and absence of a significant learning curve impressed us. The Premium Limited and Touring trims come with an outstanding 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and the audio quality is unmatched in the market. Number 6, unremarkable warranty coverage. The Subaru Outback's warranty coverage and dependability are not as outstanding as those of its competitors from the lineups of Honda, Toyota, and Hyundai. The Volvo V60 Cross Country and Audi A4 All-Road, which are both priced substantially higher than the Outback and are in the luxury sector, turned out to be pretty comparable to it. The limited warranty for the 2023 Outback is good for 3 years or 36,000 miles, while the powertrain warranty is good for 5 years or 60,000 miles. There is no free maintenance available. The outgoing 2022 model had quite a few consumer complaints regarding dependability. However, this is not the case with the competitors. Additionally, it received a subpar score of 71 from J.D. Power in the quality and reliability category. Fortunately, there were no recalls. And finally, at number 7, plenty of cabin space/loaded safety features. The passenger room and load capacity of every Subaru Outback generation have always been great, and the 2023 model is no exception. The finest headroom, legroom, and shoulder space are found in the front seats, which are also quite supportive. The seats have a leather or fabric covering, and all the standard amenities like dual-zone temperature control and heated and ventilated seats make them even more comfortable. We adore the roomy back seat, which can easily fit 3 persons comfortably because the car is very broad. The transmission tunnel is on the smaller side, and the seats provide more than ample under-thigh support. Although they seem a little more upright than those in the competition, the back seats are still not too bad. The legroom and headroom are also excellent. When you open the trunk, you will find a space that is 32.5 cubic feet, which is rather sizable. Additionally, the rear seats may be divided 60/40ths. Customers will be delighted that Subaru includes the EyeSight suite of driver assistance technologies as standard equipment with all Outback trim levels for 2023. Being a family wagon, the inclusion of technology like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and frontal collision warning as standard equipment is beneficial. If you choose the extra packages, the rear cross-traffic warning and blind spot monitoring system are also available for the cheaper trims. Although the 2023 model hasn't been crash tested, it achieved excellent ratings in the NHTSA and IIHS crash testing for the outgoing 2022 model. We'd be happy to hear what you think about this car in the comments area below. Do leave us a thumbs up and subscribe if you found this video useful and would want to keep getting more info like this one. Now that's just about one model of the 2023 Subaru car. What about the others? If you want to find out, then this video over here will tell you 7 other things to expect in the 2023 Subaru Crosstrek. So go over there right now.